everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you have already subscribed, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my crispy chicken wings. If you're interested, please keep on watching.
Cooking made easy.
If you are new here, my name is Claude Mod, owner and founder of Le Bogo Seasoning. Le Bogo Seasoning is an e-commerce website that I created when I was in grad school, where we sell organic green seasoning, organic meat seasoning, organic barbecue marinade, organic jerk marinade, organic hot pepper sauce, and so much more. If you're interested and want to try one of our products, since all of the recipes that I have been posting in this channel, I have been making them using the organic seasoning from Le Bogo Seasoning. I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. Alright guys, let's jump right in.
For this recipe guys, we are going to use some chicken, of course, and I already clean and pat them dry. And to season the chicken, we are going to use the organic spicy meat seasoning. Our meat seasoning, not only they comes in different flavors, they also comes in different size as well. We have a 16 ounce, we have a 32 ounce. If you want to try our meat seasoning and you don't want to get a large, you can also get a small as well. And guys, as I mentioned in previous video, most of the recipe that I am making on this channel, I make them using the organic seasoning from our store. If you ever want to try our organic seasoning, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. So for starters, we are going to fully season the chicken with the meat seasoning. And after we pour the meat seasoning, we are going to fully mix it together and allow it to sit for 30 minutes so that it can fully marinate. And now that the meat seasoning is fully marinated with the meat seasoning, guys, when you are making this recipe, make sure you adjust the amount of meat seasoning that you are using based on the amount of chicken that you are cooking. And now we are going to work on a dry batter. I am not making a wet batter, I'm only going to make a dry batter. So we have some flour, we are going to add some cornstarch. We are going to add some baking soda. Both of the cornstarch and baking soda, it's what will make sure that the chicken are very crispy. We are going to add some paprika. And after that, we are going to add some oil-based seasoning and mix everything together. After we have prepared our ingredients, we're just going to let our chicken sit so it can marinate for a good 30 minutes. Not that you have to. If you are crunching for time, you don't have to let the chicken sit and marinate. You can fry it right away. It will work just as well because this meat seasoning penetrates the meat instantly, so the flavors will be amazing just as well. Now that I have added some oil in a pan, and to check if the oil is hot, if you have a wooden stick, put it in the middle of the pot, and if you see that there is bubbles around it, know that the oil is hot. And I'm going to take the chicken and fully coat it in the dry flour. I'm going to shake it a little bit to remove the excess flour, and then we're going to start frying. And if you want to be sure guys, make sure you are cooking on medium heat. Don't let the oil to be too hot or the chicken will be burned on the outside and the inside will still be raw. And we are going to fry all the chicken until they are golden crispy on the outside. Now our first batch is in. I'm just going to turn some of them so that I can make sure all the sides are cooked evenly. And now our chicken is pretty much done. Here is a closer look of the consistency that you are looking for. As you can see, this is nicely golden and it is crispy on the outside and soft and moist in the inside. And now we are going to take the first batch out. I am using this plate and I added some paper towel so that the paper towel can take the excess oil because we don't want any excess oil when we are eating our wings. And this is our final result for our recipe. I hope you guys like this recipe, and if you make these wings, please let me know what you will do differently. Let me know what you will add and let me know what you will not add. And guys, I hope you like this recipe. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please remember to subscribe, and as always guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye now. cooking made easy.